Welcome to Gurtam Quick Questions.
Gurtam Quick Questions. Today, customer service experts will tackle 10 questions about their work.
I'm Artem, Head of Technical Care L2.
I'm Natalia, and I'm a Head of Technical Care L1 team. I manage a team of 20 engineers providing technical support in 5 languages.
I'm Anton, Technical Care Engineer with more than 6 years experience in solving your most complex tasks, helping with server administration and making you a successful service provider.
What's the hardest part of explaining Wheelin to partners?
For me it's a question about receiving data, because usually they involve 3 main elements: devices themselves, the mobile operator, and VLAN. And usually the most complicated part is to figure out the cause of the issue, and usually it is not VLAN. I hope so.
What makes working in Wheelin customer service different from traditional call centers?
Well, I've never worked in other call centers or any other types of support before, so for me, everything about it is different.
We solve complex issues, not just sending link to the documentation. We take time to focus on partner's unique case and provide clear and personalized answer.
Complexity of questions, I guess. Sometimes a one-line answer may require several hours of analysis and testing.
What's the weirdest or funniest message you've ever received?
Not me personally, but once the partner requests us to provide them their root password for the server.
One day, one customer asked me about their husband movements because they were jealous of him. I saved their marriage. I hope so.
How far would you go to solve a partner's issue?
I go as far as possible until I realize that there is no available solution in current functionality. When that's happened, I'll create a feature request for our product team.
One recent example, but don't do like this. I gathered the courage and wrote an emotional email to our 4 top managers, everything and more to solve partners' problem. As I said, we care deeply.
I'm ready to go on business trips to configure something for our partners. Maybe in Italy or Spain, please. Yeah. But seriously, sometimes for us it's really complicated to limit our help. If we can't help, it really means that we can't help.
What helps you stay calm during tough conversations?
Honestly, this is experience mostly, and understanding that the person on the other side of the screen just wants to solve their issue, same as I do.
We share things that annoy us within our team and turn them into jokes. A meme, an emoji, or laughing at funny typo. A bit of humor really helps.
What song do you associate with customer service?
David Bowie, Heroes. One of our partners sent it to us, and now I associate this song with technical support. La la la.
Never give up. Rise Against, Savior.
Does rebooting really help?
Just don't ask Anton about it. Every rebooting is more work for him. But I like rebooting. They might help.
It depends on what exactly you want to reboot. But in any case, please make sure that the VLAN is stopped from the administration system and then execute service vlocal stop command to stop the administration system.
Is the customer always right?
The customer might be right in their expectations, but the exact solution, it depends on the current functionality and might be different from their requirements. From our side, we try to provide the solution as close as possible to what the partner asks.
Our role is to understand, show empathy, apologize if needed, and gently clarify any misunderstandings.
What stereotypes about tech support do you find most amusing?
Of course, the main stereotype about technical support is about answering on simple questions and sending link on documentation. But in real life, our task is more complicated. Usually you must be not only technical support specialist, but also psychologist, detective, QA, and sometimes even a developer or security specialist.
That is boring or repetitive, but it's not about B2B or VLAN for sure. My team knows how to work with Git, manage SSL certificates, handle server administration, and there is so much more to learn. It's amazing how it broadens your technical skills.
Can AI replace customer service?
Well, not me. Currently, AI is really helpful in some routine tasks, but it can't replace customer service in every aspect.
If you are talking about we alone, then our system is too complex. And here AI can be an assistant, reduce our routine and change the role of technical support. But technical support will not disappear completely.
Honestly, I would love that. Imagine my engineers focusing on prompt optimization instead of writing individual emails for our partners. But reality is, fully replacing customer service is not possible, at least not yet. But now we are using AI to improve and automate our processes wherever we can.
What would you like to wish to those who want to go into support?
I wish you no doubts about this profession. Every day in technical support, you help people. Every day you face new challenges. Every day you develop in different ways. And we have a lot of examples when technical support specialists move in developers, managers, QA engineers and so on. And we can talk as much as we want about AI, but technical support will not go anywhere. And I'm sure that our task will be more interesting and more complex.
Think bigger and go beyond just solving tickets. Technical support opens up lots of opportunities for growth. In this role, you cover a wide range of subjects. You gradually become a little bit of QA specialist, a business analyst, and in a few months you might even start writing scripts to make your colleagues' life easier. The foundation that technical support provides, an analytical mindset, structured thinking, a pure desire to help, is incredibly valuable for any future career.
Bonus question. 3 words to describe the ideal tech support team.
My L1 team?
Professionalism, patience, experience.
Empathetic, proactive, skilled.
And that is the customer service.